how to get IObit Driver Booster Pro free for 6 months. So in today's video, I'll show you guys on how to get the IObit Driver Booster Pro for free for 6 months. So without further ado, let us begin. But before we start, there will be a link in the description below in where you can get special discounts if you'll be planning to buy the Pro features of the Driver Booster 12 Pro. So when you click on the link in the description below, you'll be redirected to this page and where you can get special discounts right here. So in the one PC plan, you'll save up to 50% off. So this one will cost you around $19.95 a year. And then its original price was $39.95. And the next is they also have the 3 PC plan right here in where you can save up to 70% off. So the price is $22.95 a year. And then its original price was $74.85. So so moving on, I'll just try to give you guys an explanation on what a Driver Booster 12 Pro is. So with Driver Booster 12 Pro, you can enjoy and get better PC performance and smoother gaming. So in here, you'll get updates to 50 million plus drivers with one click to reduce system crashes and freezing. You'll also get to enjoy smooth gaming experience with more game components supported. And then there also is a one click to fix 35 common device errors for fewer hardware problems. And there are also some auto backup drivers for PC security and safe updating. So to avail for the free 6 months right here, once you're in the site, just scroll down until you see this one right here, Driver Booster 12 Pro. Click on free download. And as you can see that the free Driver Booster 12 Pro for 6 months will now start downloading. And then once you're done, just simply set up the installer and then just install Driver Booster 12 Pro. So before we end, again, there will be a special link in the description below which will redirect you to this page and where you can get a big discount right here of 50% off and 70% off, and you'll also get to download the free 6 months of IObit Driver Booster Pro. So that's pretty much it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.